Hey guys, Smoky Creek Outdoors here. I'm going to show you guys my airsoft guns. I painted them, so they look pretty cool. Okay, so here's my pistol. It's actually broken, but I thought it would look cool anyway. Black. You have to keep the orange tip on here, because in Canada, if you don't, you can get arrested. My shotgun. So it actually is pretty sweet looking, but yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Oh, and I also customize the scope. I don't know if you can see down through there, but there's some crosshairs. Crosshairs right there. Put some more grip on there. It's just yarn. Put some grip. So yeah.